Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super handy. How to use your Afterpay card in stores for 2025. If you're into buy now pay later options, Afterpay is a game changer, letting you split payments without the hassle of high interest. But what exactly is it? Afterpay is a digital payment service that allows you to purchase items and pay them off in installments, now even easier with their updated card feature for in-store shopping. First things first, make sure your Afterpay account is all set up. Download the app if you haven't already, and link your bank account or card for seamless transactions. Once that's done, activate your Afterpay card through the app. It's usually a virtual card that you can add to your digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now, let's get to the fun part, using it in a store. Step 1. Head to your favorite retailer that accepts Afterpay. Check their website or in-store signs to confirm. When you're ready to check out, simply present your Afterpay card or use your phone to tap and pay. The system will prompt you to approve the purchase on your app. Step 2. Open the Afterpay app on your phone. You'll see a notification or a pending payment request. Review the total amount, your installment plan, and any fees. If everything looks good, just hit approve. For 2025, Afterpay has rolled out faster verification, so this should take less than a minute. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on your spending limits. Afterpay might cap your purchases based on your payment history, so stay within your budget to avoid declined transactions. Also, remember that not all stores support it yet, so double-check before you shop. If you run into issues, like a payment not going through, contact Afterpay support right away. They're pretty responsive. And there you have it. Using your Afterpay card in stores is straightforward and makes shopping more flexible. Whether you're grabbing groceries or the latest gadgets, this method keeps things simple. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.